Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Safe Search on any Android phone. Let's get started. On most Android phones, Safe Search is automatically enabled when you're browsing. We're using Google Chrome as an example here. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your Android device. Now, at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon if you're signed in. From there, you'll see an option called Privacy and Security. Just tap on it. Now, scroll down and tap on the Safe Browsing option available there. You will see three options: Enhanced, Standard, and No Protection. By default, the Standard Protection option will be selected. To turn off Safe Search completely, simply select the No Protection option. Once you do that, any search results you look up will no longer be filtered or blurred. Your Safe Search is now disabled. Now, if you're using other browsers like Firefox or any other browser on your Android phone, you'll need to follow the same steps within those browsers as well to disable Safe Search settings. And that's it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to App Aid for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.